Hello, bonjour, y bienvenidos, y buenas tardes, buenos días to everybody. Thank you for the invitation to present to this illustrious panel and audience. We're very grateful for the important work that Fort P1000 is doing to convene policymakers and practitioners around the globally critical issue of restoring soil health, which offers the potential to deliver numerous benefits, including climate stability, food security, improved livelihoods, and environmental conservation. At Verra, we manage the VCS program, which is the largest greenhouse gas crediting program in the world, and it accounts for 2/3 of all voluntary carbon market transactions. In short, the VCS program sets out rules and procedures that govern the creation of carbon credits. We therefore provide a trusted, robust, and user-friendly program that brings quality assurance to carbon markets. And in the last few years, we have invested a considerable amount of effort and resources to support the agricultural sector in its efforts to achieve scale to restore soil health, fight climate change, and provide sustainable and resilient livelihoods. All of this through the lens of using and leveraging carbon finance as a tool to drive finance so that we can actually achieve these things on the ground. In early 2020, we convened a 17-member agricultural land management working group comprised of global experts from a variety of sectors, including academia, policy, and project design and development. The idea here was to bring together some expertise and really help us understand what it was that we could do to better support the development of regenerative agriculture and soil health throughout our program. And this working group has been instrumental in informing the evolution of our work to promote soil health and has led to 5 concrete outcomes. The first is a series of updates to our rules and requirements, our toolkit, if you will, intended to streamline agricultural carbon and soil health projects within the VCS program. There's a number of accounting methodologies. So this was about how do we provide an overall framework that helps to develop, that enables the development of more of these projects. Second were specific enhancements to existing VCS agricultural sector methodologies. Third was the development of new methodologies, such as the recently approved methodology developed by Indigo Ag, which really promotes regenerative agriculture across farmers throughout the world by, again, driving and leveraging carbon finance. We're in the process of beginning to develop a methodology to account for biochar projects, and also we're considering some work to do in the agroforestry sector. Fourth is the establishment of soil organic carbon performance benchmarks for baseline setting across entire geographies. And finally is the incorporation of emerging technologies for monitoring, reporting, and verification, including remote and proximal sensing and artificial intelligence and machine learning. As you can imagine, all of this is a big package that fits together. And so we're looking at all the different pieces of the puzzle that help drive finance and leverage carbon finance to promote soil health. So these are exciting times. Verra is very pleased to contribute its expertise in developing robust and workable approaches to quantifying the soil carbon and health benefits of sustainable land management in a collective effort to realize the enormous potential that the agricultural sector offers in fighting the mounting impacts of climate change and environmental degradation. Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak to everybody. Cheers. Have a nice day.